What up with it? I'm your host, Uncle Mark, and you are tuned in to the Foodie Sumo channel, where I bring you foodie reviews and video recipes. Before we get to it, you need to go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave some commentary, and most importantly, share these videos so that you can help me reach a bigger audience of foodie fam, all right? So today, I'm gonna be doing a video recipe. And this is gonna be my version of Korean egg toast. And Korean egg toast is a simple sandwich, simple breakfast sandwich consisting of an egg patty with veg and cheese in it on toasted bread. So I've done most of the prep already. I've cooked down my veg, which is actually just coleslaw mix, red peppers, onions, and green peppers. So that's the veg mix. I've already toasted off my bread right here. Got my cheese ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and season up my egg here. Swap, swap, swap. So this is black pepper, it's curry powder. Good dose of curry powder in there. This is garlic powder. And this is onion powder here. And that's it for the seasoning. We're just gonna whip this guy up here. And the reason why I cooked the veg ahead and let it cool down is because I wanted to add it to the egg once I finish whipping this up, and I don't want the egg to start scrambling and cooking before it gets to the pan. So yeah, just whip that egg up real good, and go ahead and put my veg in here. Let's go ahead and get this guy started up. Olive oil. Going in the pan, just a little bit. I want enough to cover the pan. That's about, I don't know, it's not even a tablespoon, maybe half a tablespoon of olive oil. Go ahead and mix this in. Mix the veg and the egg. So that's what that looks like. You can see that. While this is heating up, I adapted this recipe from some recipes that I just happened to stumble across. An older Korean lady out there making her street food. I think hers was just pretty much eggs, carrots, cabbage, and she might have had some other veg in there, cheese, and I think the protein that she was using was ham, but I'm not gonna use the protein in this one. And this needs to be hot so it's not, so the eggs are not just sitting there soaking up grease. And it also makes it easier to flip once the egg has been cooked through on one side. You know, like I was saying, I got this recipe from a Korean lady I saw making it on YouTube of all places. So started experimenting with the ingredients, trying to get my own Foodie Sumo approved recipe, you feel me? And this is ultimately what I've come up with. We're good here. My cuckoo clock is always going off when I'm making a video for some reason, but it reminds me that time is moving, you know what I'm saying? Don't be standing still, waiting for things to happen. You get out there and make it happen yourself. So that's Uncle Mark's motivation for the day. All right, so this is coming together. Let's go ahead and get this in the pan. I don't know if you can hear that good sizzle. Just make sure that's spread out. And as this cooks through, this egg will release from the bottom of the pan, and you can move it around. So now I've got it centered so that it cooks evenly throughout the bottom. All right, so this is cooking through pretty good. I'm gonna let this go about another 30, 40 seconds or so, just to make sure that bottom is solid. If you got your little hot plate, if you're in a college dorm or something, you're in a location where you don't have access to a full stovetop, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get you one of these little hot plates, man. We used to use these in college all the time. And then I got a toaster oven that you can't see off to the side that I'm using to toast everything and cook other items as well. So I think this is good to go ahead and turn. Yeah, see, I can get up under there. Boom. Look at that. Brown on the bottom. I cooked it a little longer than I needed to, but I think we're good here. Going in with the cheese, the queso. Fold this over. And I don't know if you saw me, I scored the egg so that I could fold it in half. So now we got the egg like that. Fold it over. And it's still cooking through. Boom, gonna go ahead and flip it. Boom, GBD. Golden brown and delicious right there, my friend. Go ahead and finish off cooking the bottom side of that half of the egg. And I've already got my toast prepped. And I think we're good here. So I can go ahead and turn this off. And slide this egg right up onto that toast. And there you have it, my friend. Trying to show this to you while not dumping it on the floor. You feel me? So that's my egg toast, man. Boom. Boom. Take a gander at that. Yep, that's a beautiful sandwich there. So that's it. That's the Uncle Mark's version of Korean egg toast. So gonna go ahead, wrap it up here. Uncle Mark signing off. It's on.